live.
Hey, I'm Chris with CarryOnUSA.com, and this is Maisha. Now, I got her on camera. She didn't want to do it. The only reason why is because she just took her mother and her daughter, grandmother, to Disney World. They took a GB120 down there. She showed. I said, "How'd it do?" She said, "Great." So I said, "Will you just do one review for me?" So you went to Disney World. Was it easy to get out your car?
Yes, sir.
It was. Like when you got to Disney World, did you get to enjoy the whole day, half a day? I mean, did you have battery issues?
No battery issues. We were there for like 5 or 6 hours a day.
A day? And how many days did you go? 2 days? And so you charged it up that night and you got to use it?
Yes. Sir.
So you liked it? Was it comfortable tour?
Yes.
Okay.
Comfortable, easy to transition through the crowd.
And then a lot cheaper to rent from us. We're local, we rent local, but she took it to Disney. But we do sell these scooters. They're a fold-down unit compared to a fold-up, so you use the leverage to get in and out the car.
Yes.
So she used leverage to get in and out the car compared to picking up a heavy scooter like this Mojo. Real quick, Transformer, Mojo, other ones that fold up. Maisha, pick this thing up. See if you can pick this up.
Yes.
Okay, so, and she's a pretty strong woman. So the reason why I show that is everyone wants the auto fold out scooters, but they don't realize that the carry-ons, the way you can use the leverage to put this on the back of your trunk and slide it in is way easier than probably picking that up, correct?
Absolutely.
You'd probably rather have this than a button that opens and closes.
Absolutely.
Perfect. And also check out, we're the inventors of the kickstand for the carry-on. What this is gonna do, we didn't have it on a rental, is it allows it to stand up compared to, and it gives you an extra handle back here. You think that would have been something nice to have, that extra handle back there for you?
Yeah, it'd have made it easier.
So we're doing that because making it a little bit easier for people getting in and out the car with that kickstand. Now, if you buy it from us, we'll put the kickstand on it. It's $40. If you buy it from someone else, we can ship you one. We have videos of how to install it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for doing this, and check us out at CarryOnUSA.com.